Hi, I'm Karen Todd. I'm a software test engineer in Kansas City. There's not a whole lot out there when you Google the title of this video. Software testing advocate comes up with a few articles about quality assurance and how to drive business with quality. What I'm looking for is the sort of person who advocates for the testing craft within organizations, to their clients, and to the wider public. I want to see testers given the space to present their work in spaces like video game showcases and dev conferences. I want to explore what this sort of role could look like with time if I were to build my ideal career path towards this end. If this sounds interesting to you and you want to add what this role would look like to you, keep the conversation going by connecting with me on Twitter at Karen Todd Tests. There are a few places where I see people in organizations doing this sort of work without the explicit title of testing advocate. Ministry of Testing's Richard Bradshaw is one of the people who I know has had this sort of calling to share testing knowledge with a wider audience. Angie Jones advocates for new technology and the people who drive it. Lisa Crispin now offers independent consulting services to help educate others with the knowledge she's gained. There are countless giants that have been working for years to bring this community to where it is now. I want to build on their work and expand it to a new generation. Let's call this position what it is, testing advocate. First, let's line out what it's not. Testing advocate is not interchangeable with quality assurance or quality advocate. Everyone's responsible for quality. Every part of a product team should understand how they can contribute to the quality of that product and that team to ensure alignment on what quality means to that specific instance. Now, what would an ideal testing advocate look like? Testing advocate would bring awareness to different topics essential to software testing success, education around testing risks and problem solving, and what skills a tester can offer in different roles, new technologies to help develop those testers as they progress in their abilities. As a testing advocate, I would want to take that knowledge, bundle it into an easily digestible format for any level of proficiency, and then share it with the world. One opportunity that I see that could develop in real time if we all agreed to promote this standard together is this. As the popularity of video games increases, so increases the visibility of developer companies as they work. With the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the video game testers in particular could have an opportunity to break their stories into more of the mainstream. I'd love to see more testers given chairs on panels or whole presentations booked regarding the work they put into the success of the game. We often hear from design heads or developer leads during these types of conferences, but there's not often a large presence from the testing community heading up these discussions. What do you think? Do you see another need in this space? I was really encouraged by the discussion we had on Twitter to make this video to kind of get out of my head and listen to it out loud. I have so many more questions and ideas, so hit me up and let's talk about this. I think the thought's really interesting and warrants more exploration.